Hi everyone, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. This video is about bone sonometer. It is a device which used to identify osteoporosis. First of all, let's see what is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means porous bone. This is a bone disease that occurs when the bones become weak and brittle. The inside of a healthy bone has small spaces like a honeycomb. Osteoporosis increases the size of these spaces, causing the bone to lose strength and density. In addition, the outside of the bone grows weaker and thinner. It develops slowly over several years and is often only diagnosed when a fall or sudden impact causes a bone to fracture. These fractures most commonly occurs in hip, wrist and spine. Typically, there are no symptoms in the early stages of bone loss. But once your bone have been weakened by osteoporosis, you might have signs and symptoms including back pain caused by a fracture or collapsed vertebra, loss of height over time, a stooped posture, a bone that breaks much more easily than expected. Women are much more likely to develop osteoporosis than men. The stage before osteoporosis is called osteopenia. This is when a bone density scan shows you have lower bone density than average for your age, but not low enough to be classed as osteoporosis. Bone sonometer is a device that transmits ultrasound energy into the human body to measure acoustic properties of bone that indicate overall bone health and fracture risk. Bone sonometers are used for determining the possible presence of osteoporosis and accessing fracture risk, monitoring bone changes over time, and assessing non-age related bone loss. The primary components of the device are a voltage generator, transmitting transducer, receiving transducer, hardware and software for reception and processing of the received ultrasonic signals. By processing an ultrasonic signal propagated through a bone, it is possible to estimate broadband ultrasonic attenuation and speed of sound. Bone ultrasound attenuation is a measurement of the differential attenuation of sound wave transmitted through the calcaneus, and bone mineral density of the calcaneus and hip were measured. These two acoustic parameters have also been shown in prospective clinical trials to predict fracture incidence. A bone mineral density test can provide a snapshot of your bone health. Most commonly, your bone mineral density test results are compared to the norm for a healthy young adult. Differences between your BMD test and that healthy young adult norm are measured in units called standard deviations. The more standard deviations below zero, indicated as negative numbers. T-score between +1 and -1 is considered normal or healthy. T-score between -1 and -2.5 indicates that you have low bone mass or osteopenia. T-score of -2.5 or low indicates that you have osteoporosis. So, thank you for watching today's video. Kindly visit our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Subscribe our Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel and share our channel to your contacts, and please like our videos. You can also visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com. Thank you.